Today we're gonna put to test the brand new Supreme Brow Sculpting and Shaping Wax. I have this in the shade Java. You guys will see what I look like without eyebrows. It just looks crazy, okay? If you guys want to see how this is going to perform on my eyebrows, then keep on watching. This retails for $9. This is a flexible, non-flaking, hold, long-lasting, but buildable, water-resistant formula. It gives you a sculpted and laminated effect. It comes in 5 shades, the new tinted ones, and obviously you do have the option of the clear one. According to the website, they do suggest you to use a particular brush. It is the M625. It's a 3-in-1 brow sculpting brush. What I'm gonna end up using is just your regular dual-ended brush, with this more like an angle brush, and it's spoolie. And honestly, that little paddle that they're suggesting to use with this, you can just use the back of the brow handle. Let's go right ahead and try this product. It does say to grab a little bit, and I'm making sure that this is saturated on both sides. And whatever the leftovers, I'm actually going to use the lid and just remove the product, just in case if I put too much product. But I also want to make sure that this is also saturated. Oh God, I am so nervous about this, but I'm excited at the same time because, I mean, low-key, I do have a lot of expectations. I'm gonna start filling it up, and oh yes, I'm going to mimic brow hairs with my angle brush, especially on these areas that I'm like, damn girl, these little gaps are like bad. And okay, I like the color. Also, I'm noticing that it has a slight shiny effect, which I don't like, but we're gonna keep going. I'm continuing to build the color until you are happy with the desired finish, or the designer the designer eyebrow. As I'm applying the product, this is literally like sticking in, like she is going nowhere. All right, step number 2 is using the comb feather hairs for a fluff look. I'm gonna use this little brush, not that I would use it, but I just wanna tame them so it looks more clean. You guys can see my before and my after. Instantly, my first impression, I really like how the eyebrows are staying put. It's not as shiny as it was before. Like, I think I needed some time to set. The brows feel tamed and like, I got you. However, as you guys can see between my before and my after, I'm still noticing the little gap area, and this is my problem when it comes to products like this. You just have to go back again and just continue to build it until I'm happy with the outcome. Okay, low-key, I had to get my magnifier because I'm like, is it me or am I still seeing little gaps? I think I'm so used to filling every single little gap. There is a major difference between this side and this side. The only thing that I'm gonna do that I didn't do, I mean, if you don't have the dual-ended brush that they suggest you to use, you can just use the brush handle. My right eyebrow is way more sparse than this side. I'm very intrigued at how this is gonna look like and how the product is gonna stick onto my skin. The eyebrows are officially filled, fluffy, all of the above. I like how affordable it is. This retails for $9. This to me is almost a brow pomade and a wax. It's morphing literally 2 products into one. Together had a baby, and this is what they came up with. It gives you a non-flaking effect. I can see how beautiful it looks. I really like how they set. Just a heads up, you guys, the brows are still on. It is right now like 10 after, so it's been about like 4 hours and change. And the eyebrows are still going strong. I really like the finish. I just wanted you guys to see what's been going on the last few hours. I also like the fact how flexible this is, because even though the product set and it went from like a wet, shiny effect, it did dry out. And even me trying to remove some of the product that I kind of went a little like crazy, I can still use my spoolie and still blend it and remove the product. But if you have really sparse eyebrows, I have more gaps, more sparse areas. I felt that I had to really build for the product to stick onto my skin and make sure that it makes the brows as, I guess, as filled as much as I could. That was the only thing that I didn't like because I had to spend a little bit more time than I would usually spend with my current eyebrow routine. I can still see the little sparse areas that are kind of peeking through, but it's not as bad because I guess it makes it a little more natural. I low-key felt that I had to go back with my Morphe micro brow pencil, again Java. I wasn't fully happy with the outcome on those particular areas. If you don't mind taking that extra step, then by all means, I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. I'm so used to only using 2 products that I thought by using one product, it was going to do the job. And did it do the job? I think it really did. I'm just nitpicking right now on certain things that I like. I know for me, I'm a little bit more strict or a little bit like OCD about it, but maybe I'm not used to it. I'm still gonna play with it. This is way much better than the brand new NYX brow product that I also did a short and a review on it. That I just know. The only thing that I liked about that product is that it was so freaking bulletproof. Now, if you do have the sparse areas are not as bad as mine and you have a really nice natural brow, then this would be absolutely amazing for you. On a review that I did on the updated Morphe brow kit, if you're interested in watching that video, you can watch this after this. I will leave the link down below so you can check it out. Let me know down below if you have tried this product. What are your favorite brow products when it comes to giving you a nice, feathery, fluffy, laminated, uplifted eyebrow? Thank you guys so much for watching, and until the next time, I will see you on my next video. Mwah! Besitos. Bye.